This video is all about creating a newsletter on your Wix website. So you'll start on your dashboard, and to the left you have your menu. If you scroll down on that menu bar, you'll get to this area where it says Marketing and SEO. You'll want to click on that. And this is your marketing home, and it's powered by Ascend, and we have a free access to Ascend right now, and it creates the basic level. So when you're creating a newsletter, you want to go to create an email campaign and click on get started. And the email marketing campaign gives you a lot of templates, a lot of options to select from. And here's some good information I'm going to forward you about tips and tricks on starting your email list, importing your email list, and ideas about creating your newsletter. But we're going to go to create a new campaign. And here it gives you a lot of templates to choose from. And you can see there's a lot of different options like promote, delivery, send a business update, promote a pop-up, share a blog post. That's an option of what you can do for your newsletter is share your blog post. That's one idea. You can also create your own newsletter separate from your blogs. And there's a number of different templates like the monthly newsletter here. Here we have a different template for sending a newsletter, and I'm going to select this one. Click on the Use Template, and automatically it starts out with adding a video to the newsletter. So I'm going to go ahead and add our introduction to the four-wheel walker to our newsletter. And you get set up with the basic template. So we have June highlights, check out what I've been up to this month, and then introduction to the video that we've just uploaded so we can edit this. We can talk about in the news, what's been happening on the website, what people are buying, what's important to note about. And you can do different sections. So for over here, you can add images, you can add text, you can add buttons, you can add dividers, columns, social media, I guess. You can add videos, links, and you can add a link to sign up. So if someone's receiving this in their email, they can send it on to a friend who might be interested in it, and then that friend can sign up. Or if they get this email in a promotion, they might sign up to be on your regular news list. You can also add music. And then there's all these buttons on the side, and you can add different things, themes, backgrounds. So here you can see that I changed the background and I changed the theme. For the background, I selected a simple photo with bright colors to be pleasing to the eye. Kind of adds a nice touch. So the template of the newsletter is set up with different sections and set up with a certain format, but you can change the section as you see fit. As you can see here, I am typing in new text to the existing section of behind the scenes, and I'm going to change the text, and I'm going to change the pictures to reflect more of a adaptive lifestyle solutions template or look, rather than this standard template that they've given us. As you can see here, I am changing the text to the introduction to a four-wheel walker video to let people know what the video is about. And here I've created a little intro to a potential story that you might have written for the newsletter of that month. And if you click on any image in the newsletter, a menu will pop up to the left and allow you to edit that image. For this picture, I selected a generic older adult image. In the bottom part of the newsletter is a customized footer, and that just has some generic information that you can edit and change as you see fit. The default information that was shared was street address, phone number, media website links, and check out my website. I went ahead and changed that to just check out my website, as we don't have active phone numbers or street address or active social media as of yet. Once you click on the footer, a menu will pop up to your left, and you can go ahead and edit each item as you see fit. I left your footer with just check out my website, which would bring the newsletter reader back to your Adaptive Life Solutions website. Each section that you edit will pull up a menu on the left hand side, and you can edit specific things. In this case, you can edit the font size, the font type, and make it the way you want it to look. When you finish editing everything you want in the newsletter as you like it, then on the top right-hand corner of the screen is a blue Next button, and you'll click that. After you like what you create in your newsletter, you can manage or import context on the Add Recipients page, and you can add more context, or you can just add email addresses. Right now we only have 2 email addresses in our context, which is you and me. And so when you are creating your newsletters, you can add the context from your old website or other context that you have on your computer. And when you're done editing and managing your context, the last step will be to publish and send, and it will give you the overview of what your newsletter looks like, and then you can send it out to the people that you want to send it to. So far we only have 2 listed contexts in your contacts area, which is you and me. And unfortunately, I could not publish and send this newsletter out to us because it needed to verify your email address. And so I'm waiting to Wednesday till we're able to meet to be able to do that. Since I couldn't send it out today, I scheduled the newsletter to go out on Wednesday when after we meet.